Welcome to a major new module, NumPy, short for Numerical Python. If you plan to work in data science, machine learning, or scientific computing, NumPy is the foundational library you must master. It provides the essential tool for high-performance numerical operations, the n-dimensional array. 1. What is NumPy? NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It centers around a powerful data structure called the ndarray, which stands for n-dimensional array. This is a grid of values, all of the same type, indexed by a tuple of non-negative integers. It is the core data structure used by most other scientific Python libraries like pandas and scikit-learn. Before importing NumPy, you must install it. You open your terminal and run this command. 2. NumPy array versus Python list. While Python lists can hold various data types, NumPy arrays are homogeneous. They hold only one data type. This uniformity is key to NumPy's speed. Lists store pointers to objects scattered in memory, requiring Python to dereference them one by one. NumPy arrays, however, store data contiguously and use optimized, precompiled C code for operations, resulting in orders of magnitude faster execution, especially for vectorization operations like multiplying every element by 2. 3. The import convention. The standard convention when importing NumPy is to alias it as npy. You will see this abbreviation used everywhere in the scientific Python ecosystem. Always follow this convention to make your code immediately understandable to other data professionals. To summarize, NumPy is essential for speed and efficiency in numerical work. Our next lecture 35.02, NumPy in action. See you there.